What is up, everybody? Welcome back to RC's Gateway to Comics. Today we are going to be talking about the problem with self-inserts. Now, this is something that has unfortunately become a lot more prevalent nowadays, and you can see multiple different instances right here. And it's something that is creeping into mainstream comics and cartoons and just stories in general nowadays, and it is quite frustrating to see. So, I wanted to make a video on this to tell you exactly why you should not do this. Now, whenever it comes to self-inserts, there's a lot of things that cause limitations whenever you are writing it. Because whenever you are writing something like this, you are seeing it as putting yourself into some story, whether it be yours or whether it be someone else's. And that is an extremely limiting mindset. Because whenever you write a story, you're supposed to be crafting a character and making them their own character. You're not supposed to be making them you. Because whenever you take a look at yourself, you have a very biased view of yourself. And you see yourself as, well, you could see yourself as being the perfect character because you know everything about yourself. But the problem is that that's not how people see you. And whenever you are writing yourself as a self-insert character, then you're thinking exactly how you would think. You're not giving your character their own mindset. You're not giving them their own characteristics. And a lot of times, whenever these stories are made, then they are extremely self-indulgent. And it pulls all the attention from anyone else in the story, and it puts it on the self-insert character. And specifically in stories that already have a pre-established audience, these self-insert characters can a lot of times break the lore entirely. And you really don't need to look any further than this piece of crap right here. So whenever it comes to writing these characters, I would highly recommend you stay as far away from them as possible. There are ways that you can write characters as extensions of yourself, but never, ever do it as a self-insert. You'll be extremely limiting yourself with how you do that, and it would be extremely detrimental to your story because people will see that, well, people will eventually see that this is not an actual character that was made. This was a character that was pulled from your life in your little perfect world and is plopped into a story because you wanted the story written about yourself just with a different name attached to it. And that is a level of arrogance that is so far beyond stupid that I can definitely not recommend writing this type of story. Stay away from it entirely and disregard it. Disregard most stories that have uh, that sort of baggage to it, because most of the times they are not written well. They're extremely self-indulgent, and they are not worth the paper that they are written on. I won't go that far. So, with all that in mind, please let me know what you guys' thoughts are on self-insert stories, because I have my extreme views on this one. I'm curious if you guys have similar. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. Also, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel so we can continue to bring them to you. Also, if you enjoy pirate fiction and not self-insert stories, then check out my 5-book-long series, the Red Sky series. It is a story about a pirate captain named Riggs and his crew as they try to become the most notorious pirates to sail the seas. All the while, Riggs is trying to win the heart of Julia Hammond, the daughter of a Commodore. Thank you guys all for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out.